on est au booth de Motu, de Mark of the Unicorn, qui sont plus connus pour leur interface audio, comme la V3HD, la V4HD, et puis toutes les interfaces audio qui fonctionnent sur plusieurs plateformes, puis Digital Audio Workstation, comme Digital Performer, mais aussi sur les logiciels d'Apple. Puis là, on va voir un démo du V3HD, qui est une interface vidéo pour Final Cut qui se branche en firewire sur votre Mac. Alors, on va aller voir ce qu'il y a de neuf avec ça aujourd'hui. Hi, so we're here to look at what's new with the V3HD now on Final Cut.
V3HD, it's our SD-HD video interface. It integrates with Final Cut Pro on the Mac and Premiere Pro CS3 on the Windows side. We can do DVC Pro HD encoding and decoding on the box, so it doesn't tax your computer at all. And we have a host of input and output options for pretty much any kind of camera or deck that you might have. Integrates directly with the V3HD components, SDI, composite S-Video. It's all on the back panel there. So what I can show you here is DVC Pro HD clip playing back through the V3HD, and we have simultaneous HD and SD playback. As well as surround audio. We have a 5.1 setup right now. Has 32 channels of audio, so pretty much anything you could ever want to plug into it. You have all the inputs and outputs you need. You'll see here the integrated timecode display. Anytime that your timeline is rolling, timecode is rolling on the V3HD. We have timecode outputs for LTC and also 9-pin machine control. So it integrates with all your machine control capable decks. And all of the status indicators, everything on the front panel shows you your video status, whether you have gen lock, what the format of your input and outputs are, as well as audio status. So that's analog output activity on the meters right here as we're playing back. And then you also have activity indicators for SDI bank, AES EBU bank, and ADAT optical bank. We support sample rates between 44.1 and 192K. So you can do full HD audio as well as HD video. That's a quick overview. It operates in the standalone mode as well as with the computer. So it's kind of like a Swiss Army knife for all of your digital formats. Without the computer, we can convert from SDI input to component output. We do the SD-HD cross conversion in standalone as well.
But in conversion mode, does it have to go through DVC Pro HD?
It does not.
No.
In the conversion mode, we're just patching through. We're taking your SD or HD input and patching through to all of the HD and SD outputs. The only conversion that we would be doing is conforming the image to the other frame size. So if you have an SD input, we can conform to the HD outputs. You'll see here, if I take my SD component input, which is a consumer video camera, we have options for how we convert up to the HD frame. We can do anamorphic, stretch it out to the HD frame size, pillar box, 14:9 pillar box, and full screen. And you'll see as soon as we change that here in the control software or from the front panel, it changes on our displays, changes on the outputs immediately. And then we can also show you the HD SDI input, so that's our Canon XLH1. As soon as we switch that input, the V3HD auto detects that it's a 1080i 2997 signal, and then you'll see that our conversion options change here down to the SD path. So this is showing us how we can squeeze that HD frame into the SD size, and that's our SD monitor over there.
Thanks a lot. And it works just as well with like MacBook Pros and Mac Pro?
Yeah, we support Mac Pros, G5s, laptops as well. It connects to the computer by firewire, so it is portable. We have firewire 400 and 800 on the back panel, so if you need to connect other hard drives and other things like that, other FireWire devices, you have other options for the V3HD in order to get everything to connect correctly. The list price for the V3HD is $29.95, so it's very affordable. Compare that to other products similar to it, you'll find that it's a very good value for $29.95. It's shipping right now, So all of the major distributors should have it.
Thanks a lot for your time.
Thank you.
So, alors, c'était le V3HD de Motu avec Final Cut. Merci.